The foundation of success: rigorous tenant screening. Finding reliable tenants is crucial for successful property investment. A thorough screening process helps protect your investment and minimizes potential problems. It ensures you select tenants who will pay rent on time, respect your property, and foster a positive rental experience. Begin with a credit check to assess the applicant's financial responsibility. Obtain a credit report from a reputable credit bureau. Look for a history of on-time payments and a healthy credit score. Set minimum credit score requirements based on your risk tolerance and local market conditions. Next, conduct a background check. This will reveal any criminal history or prior evictions. Look for any red flags that might indicate potential risks. Also, verify income and employment history. Request pay stubs, tax returns, or employment verification letters. Ensure the applicant's income meets your requirements and demonstrates a stable financial situation. Finally, contact previous landlords to verify rental history. Ask about rental payments, property maintenance, and any violations. Gather insights into the applicant's behavior as a tenant. Thorough screening is vital for mitigating risks and securing reliable tenants. Crafting a comprehensive lease agreement. A well-drafted lease agreement is the cornerstone of a successful landlord-tenant relationship. It outlines the terms of the tenancy, protects your interests, and sets clear expectations for both parties. Clearly define tenant responsibilities, including paying rent on time, maintaining the property's cleanliness, and reporting any necessary repairs promptly. Specify property rules and policies to ensure a harmonious living environment. Include noise restrictions, guest limits, pet policies if applicable, and parking arrangements. Clearly outline the consequences of lease violations. This may include warnings, fines, or even eviction, depending on the severity of the breach. Essential lease terms must be clearly defined. Specify the lease duration, whether it's a fixed term or month-to-month agreement. Detail the rent amount, due date, and accepted payment methods. Outline the security deposit amount and conditions for its return. Ensuring compliance and consistency. Establishing a consistent enforcement process is crucial for addressing lease violations effectively. Document all violations with dates, times, and specific details. Provide written notices to tenants, giving them a reasonable opportunity to rectify the situation. If violations persist, follow legal procedures for eviction if necessary. Create standardized move-in and move-out procedures. Conduct thorough inspections before and after each tenancy, documenting the property's condition with photographs and written reports. This helps resolve any disputes regarding damages and security deposit deductions fairly. Regularly review and update your screening criteria and lease terms. Stay informed about changes in local landlord-tenant laws and market conditions. Seek legal counsel to ensure your lease agreement remains compliant and protects your interests. Optimizing your rental management for long-term success. Embrace technology to streamline your rental management processes. Utilize property management software for tasks like rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant communication. This improves efficiency and helps maintain organized records. Maintain transparency with your tenants. Communicate clearly and promptly, addressing any concerns or questions they may have. Foster a positive and respectful landlord-tenant relationship. Adhering to fair housing laws is paramount. Treat all applicants and tenants equally, regardless of race, religion, national origin, familial status, or disability. Familiarize yourself with the Fair Housing Act guidelines to avoid discrimination. Structured tenant screening and lease management are essential for successful long-term real estate investment. By implementing these strategies, you can minimize risks, maximize rental income, and enjoy a smoother, more profitable rental experience.